Welcome to Everyday English Learning, where education becomes transformation. Today, I want to share one simple habit that can completely change your life. It's not luck, it's not talent, it's something you can start today. Learning just 1 hour a day. 1 hour to upgrade your mind, your skills, and your future. Because if you don't educate yourself daily, life will do it for you through pain, regret, and failure. So take a deep breath, sit back, and let's begin your journey of growth, 1 hour at a time. Section 1. The Wake-Up Call. Welcome to this video from Everyday English Learning. Today, I want to tell you something that can completely change your life. There is one habit that separates the weak from the strong, the average from the great, and that habit is daily education. Every day, people scroll through social media, wasting time. They watch others succeed, but never work on themselves. Your real enemy is not poverty, failure, or fear. Your real enemy is not knowing how money works, how people think, how to control your emotions, or how to manage time. If you don't educate yourself, life will teach you through pain, regret, and loss. But the good news is this: just 1 hour of learning every day can make you stronger than 99% of people who stop learning after school. So today, let's learn step by step how to build this daily habit and change your entire future. Section 2. Why self-education matters. Most people stop learning after school. They think a degree will bring them a good life. But the truth is, only self-education brings freedom. The world is changing fast. New jobs, new tools, new ideas. Everything is moving quickly. But most people are stuck with old knowledge and old habits. When you don't understand money, you get into debt. When you don't understand people, you get hurt. When you don't understand how to grow, you get stuck. The top 1%, leaders, CEOs, successful people, all keep learning every day. They know that education is not a hobby, it's survival. So choose to learn daily, or stay weak forever. Section 3. Financial education. Learn how money works. You can be kind, honest, and good. But if you don't understand money, the world won't respect you. In school, they taught us history and math, but not how to manage or grow money. Here's the truth. If you don't study money, you will always work for someone who did. Financial education means learning how to earn money in different ways, save and plan wisely, invest and grow your money. It's not about becoming rich. It's about becoming free. Free from fear, stress, and dependence. If two people earn the same salary, but one learns about saving and investing, while the other spends carelessly, in 5 years, their lives will look completely different. Learn how money moves. Because when you understand money, you control your future. Section 4. Skill education. Learn what makes you valuable. You don't get paid for time. You get paid for value. To grow your value, you must develop skills that solve real problems. Most people stay broke, not because they are lazy, but because they never learned a skill the world needs. Start small. Spend 30 minutes learning and 30 minutes practicing. In 90 days, you'll be more skilled than most people. Learn skills like writing and storytelling, video editing and design, sales and communication, public speaking, digital marketing, using AI, tools like ChatGPT. If you want success, stop waiting for opportunities. build your skills and make yourself impossible to ignore. Section 5. Mindset Education. Learn how to think strong. Two people can face the same problem. One grows, the other gives up. The difference is mindset. Your mindset decides how you see the world. Most people never train their minds. They react emotionally, complain, and quit easily. A strong mind stays calm, focused, and positive, even in chaos. Read 10 pages a day from mindset books. Watch one video that builds mental strength. Journal your thoughts. Ask, is this helping me or hurting me? A powerful mind turns pain into lessons, fear into fuel, and failure into growth. Train your mind daily, and you'll become unstoppable. Section 6. Emotional Education. Learn to control your feelings. Many people lose relationships, jobs, and peace, not because they are bad, but because they never learned how to control emotions. They react too fast, get angry easily, or stay sad for years. But emotions are not your enemy. They are messages from your mind. You just need to understand them. Emotional education means learning how to stay calm when others lose control, handle criticism with maturity, control fear, anger, and jealousy, make decisions with peace, not panic. When you master your emotions, you stop reacting and start responding. That's emotional freedom. And it's the key to a peaceful life. Section 7. Market Education. Learn what the world needs. You don't get paid for what you love. You get paid for what people need. Many people stay poor because they never study the market. The world is changing. AI, digital business, online learning. Everything is new. If you don't adapt, you will be left behind. Study what people are paying for, what problems they have, and what new tools or jobs are growing. Markets change every year, but those who learn daily always find opportunities. Don't just work hard. Work smart by watching what the world is doing. Section 8. Digital Education. Learn the tools of the future. We now live in the digital age. Every business, teacher, and creator uses technology. If you say, I'm not a tech person, soon you'll say, I'm not needed. Learn how to use digital tools like Canva, ChatGPT, Notion, Zoom, and Google Workspace. Learn how to build an online presence, create content, and use AI to save time. Spend 30 minutes daily learning one new tool. You don't have to be a tech genius. You just need to understand how the modern world works. The future belongs to those who learn digital skills now. Section 9. Self-Awareness Education. Learn who you are. Most people know their phone passwords, but not their purpose. They don't know what makes them happy or what truly matters. Self-awareness means asking deep questions. Why do I react this way? What do I really want? What kind of people bring peace to my life? Spend time alone. Write your thoughts. Reflect on your day. When you understand yourself, you stop following the crowd. You stop pretending and start living your truth. True education begins when you start learning about yourself. Section 10. Foundation Education. Learn how to live strong. School taught us how to pass exams, not how to live life. No one taught us how to handle failure, rejection, or heartbreak. Foundation education means building real-life strength. Manage time and focus. Stay disciplined even when tired. Choose good friends. Take responsibility for your actions. Life is not about never falling. It's about learning how to rise again. Money can't save you from fear. Degrees can't save you from doubt. Only daily learning and self-discipline can make you unbreakable. Final message. Remember, no one is coming to save you. You are the student, the teacher, and the builder of your own life. If you don't grow daily, you slowly fade. So start today. Read one page, watch one lesson, listen to one podcast, because 1 hour of learning every day can change your entire future. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep improving with everyday English learning.